class. Today we're going to be talking about oxygen use with COPD. Let's start with the stages that we're going to see. In stage 1, will be very mild. There'll be a slight airway limitation. In stage 2, moderate. Most patients are going to seek help because they're going to start showing signs and symptoms of COPD, like coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. At stage 3, COPD patients, we're going to see that they're becoming easily fatigued, frequent respiratory infections. So they're going to be presenting with lots of coughing, lots of wheezing. They're going to have pursed lip breathing. So you're also going to see ladies. Oh. Ladies! Who can tell me what happens at the second stage of COPD?
You haven't gone over that yet.
I just covered it.
I don't think so.
Oh, hyperkalemia is the result of an increased intake of potassium.
Wrong.
Detect a spirometry. Shay, drop a load on him. COPD, how can I explain it? I'll take it frame by frame in. We'll have y'all jump and shout and say in it. C is for chronic or for obstructive scratch your temple. The PD, well, that's not that simple. It's sort of like a chronic lung disease with chronic inflammation. Bronchitis emphysema will need more information. You'll get it on occasion if you're smoking in your agent. It seems like I gotta start the explaining. You always be exposed to dust, to chemicals, or smoke. You burn and fuel with ventilation being poor at home. Family history, they know just what you're talking about. Flared up and you can barely get around the house. You got a problem with the C to the O to the P to the D. You're short of breath with physical activity. COPD has complications if you get it. You're smoking that tobacco and you just have to quit it. How many nurses out there know just what I'm getting at? We gotta know just how we're treating and preventing that. And if you know COPD, you can detect it. But if you don't, let's get into it. You know COPD? You know COPD? You know COPD? Who knows COPD? You currently smoking? Age over 40? Got family history? Might get COPD. And your patient COPD type's not apparent. The outcome is the same, but pathology is different. Emphysema refers to damage of smaller spaces, alveoli, where the O2-CO exchanges. The alveoli lose their elasticity, and when they fail, well, it's permanently. You see them breathing through pursed lips, skin turning pink. CO2 levels increase. You ever have a patient that is thin and always out of breath? Prolonged expiratory time and got a barrel chest? You looked at him, he looked at you, and you knew right away? Or was it that his bronchioles were actually inflamed? Maybe chronic bronchitis is the issue here. The body isn't getting oxygen to tissue here. You're always short of breath, you're wheezing and your chest is tight. A chronic cough with mucus that is yellow, green, or white. Frequent illnesses, cyanosis, and edema, COPD, and hypoxemia. Sometimes it's difficult to tell because they coexist, but either way, how we treating it? You know COPD? You know COPD? You know COPD? Who knows COPD? You notice you're wheezing? Is it hard to breathe? Digital clubbing? Might have COPD. Alright, so you got COPD. You asked your nurse if you knew. A matter of fact, how we're gonna be treating that. Inhaled steroid and oxygen, you're gonna need that. Bronchodilators to be long-acting or fast. The most important thing is gotta be smoking cessation. And self-care goes hand in hand with medication. Taking good care of your lungs, well that would be wise. You gotta eat right and get plenty of exercise. Prevent exacerbation with some theophylline. And make sure you stay up to date with all your vaccines. Antibiotics treat infection with exacerbation. And bronchodilators help relieve the inflammation. Tell your doctor if you see any signs of infection. Steroids are known to cause some dangerous immune suppression. If it's severe, you might be looking into surgery, a lung volume reduction, transplant, or colectomy. Challenging is it in a pulmonology visit because everyone's got different COPD regimens. Exacerbation occurs and that will get you admitted with COPD, but we try to prevent it. You know COPD? You know COPD? You know COPD? Who knows COPD? You gonna quit smoking? You gonna eat healthy? Is it your PCP? Treat your COPD.
Okay, class, so now that we've covered COPD and oxygen use, how do we feel about it? Shayla.
So medical professionals have done research to show that O2 use has a lot of risk with COPD because the O2 tanks are combustible and because patients are getting used to it and switching how much they get, so then they could have risk for hypoxia.
Excellent. Cora.
Patients, on the other hand, they seem to like it because it prolongs their life and allows them to continue exercising as well as get a better night's sleep.